Okay, today we're going to be doing 3.4 multiplying integers, exponents, and patterns. So today's learning targets are I can recognize and use the rules of multiplying integers when exponents are involved. What do exponents mean? The base is the first number and the exponent is the small raised number. So let's look at 6 squared. The 6, the blue one, we call that the base. And then the exponent is the small raised number, which is the 2. So this is your exponent. So how do we evaluate 6 squared? Well, 6 squared equals 6 times 6. Well, 6 times 6 is 36. How do we evaluate 3 cubed? Well, 3 cubed equals 3 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 3 is 27. So let's go ahead and find negative 4 squared. So what does that mean? So negative 4 squared equals negative 4 times negative 4. You need to put the negative 4 in parentheses because it's squaring all of negative 4. Well, we went over negative times a negative, and that equals a positive. So I know that 4 times 4 is 16, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So my answer would be a positive 16. All right, this one is a little bit different. I'm not squaring the negative 5. I'm just squaring the 5 because it's not in parentheses. So what this means is I have a negative, and then it's 5 times 5. Okay, because this 5 squared is kind of like this squared is on the inside. So you can think of it as like that. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25, or 5 squared is 25, and then the negative stays on the outside. So your answer would be negative 25. So between the two, this one was negative 5 squared. The other one was negative 4 squared. So I'm squaring all of everything that's in the parentheses. This, I'm only squaring the 5. So compare, this would be 25. That would be negative 25, and this would be a positive 16 again. This one, I want you guys to do on your own, but I really want you to write this down in your notes so then you're prepared for tomorrow. So you're going to write what's the pattern, and if you know the answers, you can go ahead and write them in there and see if you get them correct, and we'll go over this tomorrow. So this is the end of day 2 multiplying integers.